Today, I'm preparing one of southeastern Anatolia's most distinctive dishes, dried eggplants and peppers stuffed with meat. Let's begin. We're preparing the filling. I add the rice, which I soaked and drained, to the minced meat. Then I add plenty of onion, vegetable oil, tomato and pepper paste, and the spices. Salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, dried mint, and sumac. I knead everything thoroughly. The filling is ready. I briefly boil the dried eggplants and peppers in boiling water to soften them. I've drained the eggplants and dried peppers and rinsed them under cold water. Now we'll fill them. Filling them halfway is enough, and as the rice will expand and fill them completely. I gently press the opening closed and place it upright in the pan. Now that the dried stuffed vegetables are arranged like pearls, they were ready to cook. But first, I'm preparing the sauce with tomato paste, pomegranate molasses, garlic, sumac, salt, and warm water. I am mixing. I pour the sauce over them, cover the pan, and leave them to cook over a medium heat. Don't forget to place a plate on top to keep them intact. After the stuffed vegetables were cooked, I turned off the stove and let them rest for 30 minutes. Now it's time to serve. The balance of the filling, its tanginess, and the flavor of the meat are all just right. You should definitely try it. Enjoy.